Hello kids, welcome to Learner's Planet. I welcome you to this session of An Apple a Day Keeps the Doctor Away. There is a Pembrokeshire proverb also, that is, eat an apple on going to bed and you'll keep the doctor from earning his bread. That is, an apple has so many nutrients that it helps us to be healthy. In the Dhammapada, in the chapter on happiness, Lord Buddha refers to health as the greatest acquisition. An Indian proverb states, good health is equal to 1,000 boons. It is a priceless boon, indeed, for the poor and the rich, the young and the old. And apples have a good claim to promote health. So let's see what all are the constituents or nutrients present in the apple which helps us to stay healthy. Apples contain vitamin C. Vitamin C is also present in citrus fruits, chilies, that is the green chilies. People who lack vitamin C in their diet have poor healing, bruise easily, and have bleeding gums. Bruise means it is just a swollen area in the skin. When you get hurt, the skin swells. The skin is not broken there. It's just a mark or a swelling in the area which has gone hurt. So they bruise easily, those who lack vitamin C. See, this is scurvy. What does the vitamin C deficiency leads to? It leads to a condition called scurvy. It is characterized by weakness, anemia, bruising, bleeding gums and loose teeth. See, the bleeding gums and the loose teeth. So apples contain vitamin C. This is one of the reasons why you should have apple a day. These are many more sources of vitamin C. It is present in grapes, tomato, oranges are there, apple is there, and many more vegetables and fruits. They contain vitamin C. What all apple contains? Apples prevent heart diseases. Apples are rich in flavonoids, it is a chemical, and can prevent both coronary heart disease and cardiovascular disease. Flavonoids also have antioxidant effects. See, there is a cholesterol plaque deposited over here in the artery, right? As a result of which the blood clots, the blood can't flow. When the blood is not flowing to the tissue, what will happen? The muscles there will die. See, these are the healthy muscles of heart. These are the coronary arteries. And there is a cholesterol plaque over here, due to which the blood is not flowing to this region and this heart muscle dies. So this is one of the coronary disease. There is one more disease, atherosclerosis. What is it? It is hardening of arteries, right? How it occurs? It occurs due to the deposition of fat, cholesterol and other substances in the walls of artery. See, this is a normal artery, right? So blood flows freely through this artery, whereas this is a clogged artery. Plaque deposits. It is a mixture of calcium, cholesterol and other substances, and they reduce the flow of blood over time. So this is also a heart disease. Apples, they contain flavonoids which helps in preventing these heart diseases. Flavonoids are also antioxidants. What are antioxidants? Antioxidants are the compounds which help to cope up with the oxidative stress that results from regular metabolic process. Right? So flavonoids, they also act as antioxidants. Let's see what all properties this antioxidants have, or what all apples contain. Apples reduce cholesterol. Apples contain phenols also, which reduce bad cholesterol and increases good cholesterol. What is the bad cholesterol? It is the low density lipoprotein. They prevent LDL from turning into oxidized LDL, which is a very dangerous form of bad cholesterol, which can lead to atherosclerosis, which is deadly. See, this is LDL. It also contains flavonoids, which are antioxidants. It contains phenols, which reduces the LDL, and it stops its oxidation to oxidized LDL, which is a bad cholesterol, and it gets deposited in the arteries. We have seen it there. See, this is atherosclerosis, that is hardening of the walls of artery. So these flavonoids, the phenols present in the apple, they reduce the LDL cholesterol, right? That is low density lipoprotein. Thus, you should have one apple a day. Apples also prevent multiple cancers, colon cancer, and also the breast cancer in women, prostate cancer also. So see, this is the colon cancer. This is the intestine. There is a colon cancer over here. Apples prevent these multiple cancers, colon cancer, prostate cancer, and also the breast cancer in women. So everyone should have an apple a day. Apples also prevent tooth decay. Tooth decay occurs due to infection by bacteria. The juice of apples can kill up to 80% of the bacteria. See, when you eat, acid gets accumulated in the blood. The mouth pH that becomes low, that is, there is an acidic pH. Acids are produced. And the food which gets accumulated in between the teeth helps bacteria to grow. So if you eat one apple a day, the juice of apple will kill up to 80% of the bacteria which is accumulated, and thus it will prevent tooth decay. So you can say an apple a day keeps the dentist away. Right? So apples do have many important nutrients. Let's see what else it does. Protects brain from brain disease. Apple has substances called phytonutrients, and these phytonutrients prevent neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's disease, Parkinsonism. Right? They do have phytonutrients which prevent these neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Right? Brain is vulnerable to oxidative injury. Why? Because of high content of oxygen, high metabolic rate, and elevated levels of polyunsaturated lipids. Right? Which is the target of lipid peroxidation. These lipids, there is a high content of polyunsaturated lipids which undergo or which are the targets of lipids peroxidation. So these apples prevent the lipids peroxidation, they contain phytonutrients, and they also prevent the neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's disease and Parkinsonism. These are all the neurodegenerative diseases. So these are the good qualities of apple. So you should have an apple every day. I hope you have understood how important an apple is for us. So do have an apple a day and keep the doctor away. So goodbye and stay healthy.